Nothing but the truth now, nothing but the proof of what I am. The world's the world I came from, patterns I'm ashamed of, things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it, I try to fight it. My head was twisted, my heart divided, my lives all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without a lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up all the colors stuck inside my head? I should've let it jacket adjust me the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like. We're shouting in the silence, we're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet, you're not alone. We listen to the demons, we let them get between us, but none of us are here on our own. So we were cowards, so we were liars, so we're not heroes, we're still survivors, the dreamers, the fighters. No lying, I'm tired, but dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back, but now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without a lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up a color stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged judges me the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. For a lesson on the fly, this is what it sounds like. My voice without a lies, this is what it sounds like. For a lesson on the fine, this is what it sounds like. To turn off all this time, our voices all are combined. When darkness meets the light, this is what it sounds like.